Number 61 is going to be the Skull Shaker. Whose little head bobbles back and forth as you drive down the track. Number 62 is the Twin Mill Gen E. This is supposed to be an electric version of the Twin Mill Hot Wheels original design. In green. I think this is missing something without those big ol' engines in the, on there. I think it needs the engines. Number 63 is the Robo Race Car. Now this is based on an actual car that they're using for autonomous racing now. I don't know if they have one this color, but Robo Race Car. Number 64 is the Poison Arrow. Little spinny propeller on the back. Got a metal base, clear plastic body. See the engine underneath. It's alright. Won't fit on a track though. Number 65 is going to be the BMW K1300R. Pretty cool that they did a real BMW motorcycle. This black piece is all metal. Pretty heavy. Looks pretty good. Number 66 gonna be the Cruise Bruiser. This is kind of like a demolition derby station wagon. Engine sticking out of the hood. Mishmash tires. I actually like this one. It's pretty cool. Number 67 is the Roger Dodger. In kind of a steampunk type decoration with some gears, matte black, silver, gold, metal body, plastic base, gray tires. It's pretty cool. Number 68 is going to be the Super Van. One of the art cars. This one's got the King of Hearts on it. Looks like the Ace of Hearts on the top. Blue base. Pretty cool. Number 69 is going to be the 2008 Lancer Evolution. Speed graphics. So it has the Advan livery, which looks pretty cool on this Mitsubishi Lancer. Black and red. Pretty nice. Number 70 is going to be the 68 Dodge Dart. in green with a Mopar decoration. It's pretty sweet. I like that green. Number 71 is going to be the 67 Jeepster Commando. You can find this with Spectra Flame paint and Real Riders. You will have found the super treasure hunt. It's pretty good looking. Number 72 is a 96 Porsche Carrera in black, part of the Porsche series. This one doesn't want to open. Porsche in black. Some simple PR5, MC5 wheels. Looks pretty good. Number 73 is going to be the 68 Chevy Nova in kind of a military fighter jet kind of decoration. That goes all the way around. This one's been pretty popular. It's pretty nice. Number 74 is the 8 crate. This is based on a 50s era Ford station wagon with a big huge engine in the back. This one's pretty nice. This is the Grass Chomper. It is the treasure hunt for the C case, number 75. There's the treasure hunt logo. We're going to open some supers, and we're going to start with this. We're going to start with the Nissan Skyline Super Treasure Hunt. This is the Super out of the A case, and it looks pretty good. It's got the Real Rider tires, the wheels, gold instead of silver trim. So that we're going to open this. 25 years of treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. And it's open. Oh yeah, on the card. Show you the card. It says, congratulations, we're celebrating 25 years of treasure hunts and you just found one. That's on there. So this is Spectra Flame black paint, real rubber tires. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Here is the Ford GT40. This is number 35. Collector number. This is the Super Treasure Hunt from the B case. And we're going to open this one. There's a special logo on the card. And here's the car in a Spectra Flame blue Gulf livery. There's the little TH logo right there that you're looking for. Right there. Real Rider rubber tires. Orange rims. It's pretty nice. Very nice. And last for today, it's going to be the Jeepster Commando. This is number 71 from the C case. And it has the TH right there, pretty big on the door. Right there. It says it right there on the card. Congratulations. Spectra Flame Aqua Paint. Off-road tires. Off-road rims. A little extra deco on the hood with this one. That also looks pretty good. Here is the second number 2, the Super Treasure Hunt Skyline. Here is number 35, the Super Treasure Hunt GT40. And we've got number 61. Number 62. Number 63. Number 64. And number 65. Number 66. Number 67. Number 68. Number 69. And number 70. $71, the regular, $71, the super, $72, $73, and 74 for this row. $175.